Hello everybody! I would like to introduce you to the WA2 Kit. The WA2 Kit is our new system. It will retrofit with WA1, so if you bought WA1, you're okay. You can just use some of the parts to go with WA1 and you'll be fantastic. Check another video that will explain how you can retrofit WA1 with WA2. But for this kit, what is included is two round, which we're calling RD2, and two 9-inch ones, which are ideal for salad plates. It's a 9-inch diameter plate, and each of the sides have a 2-inch transition on them. So they will be ideal to make a nice smooth plate. If you like to make plates that have nice detail designs to them, this will give you a lot more variety for the surface. One thing that these do not do is stack with each other, so don't look for like stacking ones, because the transition of these is so different from each other that you will not be able to stack them. Also included is some 12-inch, two 12-inch, same 2-inch lip, and also in the bottoms they have the two holes which will fit with WA2 key. We're calling it a key because you really only need one, and it only sets inside of the WA, either WA1 or WA2, and it will fit with the holes that are into the form. This will then attach to the wheel just by sliding that key so it registers in place. A little tricky, but once it's registered, now everything stays stable. It will not spin on itself. A lot of you have requested that that it doesn't spin, so that if you really wanted to make a preset slab of clay that you could just drape over top and shape, this is the version for you. The main focus of this version is this nice smooth transition. It's a 2-inch transition. It's just not a rounded corner. It's a nice 2-inch transition, which has taken a lot of time for me to develop to be able to get the tooling to work for this form. So in the kit, it's, you get basically 1, 2, 3, 4. The key is 5, and the two boards are 6 and 7. So 7 pieces in the WA2 kit. Hope you enjoy.